Hi everyone, you're welcome. If you want your numbering, your page numbering not to start from the first page of the document, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can simply do that. So for today's video's example, I want my numbering to start from the third page of my document, which is this one, meaning I want this page to be my page one. So without wasting any time, I'm going to give you quick steps on how you can simply do this. So on your top uh, tabs, you're going to go to the home tab, and then under home tab, you're going to click and turn the paragraph icon on. And now you can see the page breaks are appearing. And then remember, this is the page where we want our numbering to start from. So on this page, you are going to go to the page above it, which is our page 2. Remember, this is the page where we are going to start our numbering from. So you have to scroll back to the page above the page where we are going to start our numbering from. I hope I make sense, which is this page. And then here you are going to delete the the page break here. What you're going to do, you have to go to your keyboard and then you click the backspace, just like that. The page break is deleted. But now I wanna add a section break. So you're going to your top tabs here, and then you navigate a layout. You click here under on the layout here, and then under layout you're going to click breaks here, just like that. You can see page breaks, section breaks, but now I want to create section breaks. You have to come here, next page, you click this, and then just like that, section break has been created. So what we did now is that on this first page and this second page is now under one section, which is section 1. We have separated this section, these two pages, we have separated these two pages from the third page, which make the third page to be our section 2. I hope it makes sense, but it will make sense as we go on. So under your page where you want your numbering to start from, you are going to go to the bottom of your page, which is the footer. Here you double click, so we can see now the footer is appearing. So you can see this is our section 2. This third page is our section 2. Since we have created a section break, it automatically made this section 1, these two pages section 1, and then this one, the third page, is now our section 2. Yes, but before we do anything else, we have to turn this link to previous on. So what this thing do is going, if we make changes to our section 2, those changes are going to affect our section 1. For an example, if I write, let me put anyways here, you can see we wrote this ways under section 2, but let's check section 1. You see these ways are also there on section 1, which we don't want, because we don't want the numbering to start from the page 1, which is our section 1, just like that. So let me give you another example. You can see when I make changes on section 2, they also affect our section 1. So let's delete this ways again, and then we turn this link to previous, we turn it off, and then again we write ways here. Let's go back and check if section 1 is affected. You see there's nothing here, there's nothing. You see this link previous is off now, meaning the changes that we make on section 2 is no longer affecting our section 1. So for now, we're going to our tab under header and footer. We're going to click on the page number. Now we're going to add our page number here. You just have to come here and click, and then here you are going to choose the style which you want your page numbering to be. So for me, I prefer using the I prefer my page numbering to be at the bottom of my page. So I'm going to go for plain number 3, just like that. But you can see our page numbering is starting at page 3, which we don't want. We want this page to be our page 1. What we're gonna do, we have to go back to this page number. We click here, and then now we're going to click on format page number, just like that. And then here on under start at, we have to click here, and then we put 1, meaning we want our pages want our numbering to start at the page 1, just like that. We've changed. So now you can see this page is our page 1, page 2, page 3, just like that. So let's check our first 2 pages. This is our cover page, there's no numbering here, and then second page there's no numbering, just what we wanted, just like that. Let's just review again. Our cover page there's no numbering, second page there's no numbering, and then third page there's numbering. Our third page is now our page 1.